Want to control your iPhone using just your voice? Voice control makes it possible. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and today I will show you how to enable voice control on your iPhone. So let's get started and make your iPhone hands-free. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the Accessibility settings. Now, locate the voice control option and tap on it. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to voice control option to turn it on. And this is how you can enable voice control on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.